the hottest AI video tools in 2025, Skyreels and Pictory. One's built for cinematic storytelling, the other for fast edits. So which one's for you? Skyreels is all about realism and creativity. You can generate AI videos from just a prompt or even a still image, with smooth movement, acting, and expressions. If you're building stories, short films, or experimental content, Skyreels gives you full creative power. Pictory is built for speed. Just paste your script or blog and it turns it into a video, with stock footage, music, and subtitles, all handled by AI. Perfect for marketers, YouTubers, and anyone who wants polished videos fast. Use Skyreels if you want cinematic, AI-generated visuals that look like mini movies. Use Pictory if you need speed, convenience, and plug-and-play content. Which one fits your workflow, Skyreels or Pictory? Drop a comment and let us know, and follow for weekly AI video tool reviews that actually help creators.